So why do lawyers need to actually plan contracts before they draft? Unfortunately, these days, the contract planning process is really curtailed compared to how it used to be 20 plus years ago when I started. These days, most lawyers will actually get a contract precedent or a contract template and they'll just open it up and start making a few little tweaks and it's done and they send it out. The problem with that process is that it doesn't actually allow for unique variances in the contract, in the project, with your particular client, with the risk allocation that your client wants to have in the contract. And it doesn't actually help you understand what the contract is, what particular clauses are, and why they're actually in the contract. And that's a really important thing to know, because if you don't understand why the clauses are actually in the contract, it becomes really hard for you to justify, oh, hang on a second, I'm going to leave this clause in, or for you to say, oh, I might delete this clause, when you don't actually know what its purpose is.